This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Gardening. Peppa and George are playing at Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig's house. Grandpa, catch!
Ho ho ho, catch! What's this?
Dinosaur. Grrr!
Ooh, a dinosaur.
Ho ho ho. Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm planting these seeds.
Seeds? What do seeds do?
Seeds grow into plants, and I just make a little hole and put the seed in, and then I cover it with earth and water it. Everything in my garden grows from tiny seeds like this.
Even the big apple tree?
Oh yes, this tiny seed will grow into a little apple tree like this, and that little apple trees will grow into a big apple tree like this. Ouch! Yummy! And inside this apple are more seeds.
To make more apple trees.
Exactly.
Grandpa, I want to plant a seed.
Would you like to plant a strawberry seed?
Yes, please.
These seeds will grow into a lovely strawberry plant. First, make a little hole.
And I put the seed in and cover it with earth.
Shall I water it for you?
No, I want to water it.
Good. Now we wait for it to grow.
Peppa and George are waiting for the seed to grow. It's not doing anything.
You have to be patient, Peppa. It will take a long time to grow.
Peppa, George, it's time to go home. But we are waiting for my strawberry plant to grow. I wanted strawberries for tea.
Don't worry, Peppa. Next time you come, the seed will have grown into a plant.
And I'll have strawberries.
Yes.
Come on, Peppa. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, strawberry.
Grandpa Pig looks after Peppa's strawberry plant. After many days, Grandpa Pig finds the tiny plant growing. Day by day, the plant grows bigger and bigger, and then one day, Grandpa Pig finds something very special.
Strawberries! Grandpa, we are back! Peppa and George
have come to play again.
Grandpa, did my plant grow?
Yes, look.
Ooh, strawberries. Thank you, Grandpa. Can we plant something else?
Yes. Now it's George's turn to choose.
Yes, you choose, George. Choose a carrot. Grandpa, I think George wants to grow a carrot.
George, would you like to grow a carrot?
No.
What could you like to grow?
George has thought something he wants to grow. Dinosaur. George wants to grow a dinosaur tree. Silly George. Dinosaurs don't grow on trees. Dinosaur. Grrr!